அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு எங்கள் ஸ்கூல் காம்படிஷனுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண ஸ்டோரியை உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல போகிறேன். Health is wealth. Once upon a time, there was a rich man. He was very lazy. Do not do anything other than eating and sleeping. Then he became like a fatty hen. The man was unable to move even his body. So he called the doctor to regain his health. A doctor came and understood the situation. A doctor asked the man to visit the hospital next day by walk. Man walked slowly to visit the doctor, but a doctor was not available. Man repeated this for a week, but all time doctor was not available. By the time a man felt that he reduced some weight and realized some mistakes about laziness, very soon he regained his health and lived happily. Moral of the story: exercise is very important for healthy life. Health is wealth. Thank you. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம பிங்க் டலியாஸ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.